Let's learn our letters and sounds. A says ah, like apple. A is for apple. B says b, like ball. B is for ball. C says k, like cat. C is for cat. D says d, like dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. What a fantastic fish. G is for giraffe, stretching up so high. H is for house, a happy little home. And I is for ice cream. Yummy! J is for jam, yummy jam. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, hear him roar. M is for moon, shining in the sky. N is for nest, where the birds live. O, let's say O. O is for the ocean, deep and wide. P, let's say P. P is for the playful puppy, wagging his tail. Q, let's say Q. Q is for the quiet queen in her castle tall. R, let's say R. R is for the red rose in the garden, blooming bright. S, say S. S is for the shiny star, twinkling in the night sky. T, let's say T. T is for the tall tree with leaves of green. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing a melody. W is for whale, swimming in the deep blue. X is for X-ray, looking inside. Y is for yellow, bright as the sun. Z is for zebra, with stripes of black and white. Subscribe.